Abacus.AI is a website that gives you access to all the latest and best multimodal tools for text, images, and video. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. You can also use this platform to code. You can use it to generate PowerPoints for deep research. You can use it to generate videos. Of course, you can use all of the most current and recent video models. Kling version 3 just came out right now, but you can see all of them are there, and it's the same with images as well. We've got Nano Banana Pro, of course, and all the ones you see here in this list. I'm just going to scroll through it slowly so you can see they have quite an extensive option. I've been using this for quite a while now, I'll be honest, but yeah, and I can't see myself not using it, if I'm being completely honest. It's just way too useful because it just routes things to like whatever LLM you want. If you want to go to specific ones, you can of course click them from here. So this already gives you access to all of the text-based tools as well. We've even got ZLM, Kimi K2, which is the top at the moment. Yeah, there's so much going on here, and you can even create custom chatbots and AI workflows. So essentially you can create like GPTs, and then I believe they also have a node canvas. I think they either have it now or are probably working on it, but in any case, I do think this platform is exceptional. It's only $10 a month, and then you can top up with credit, so I think that's pretty good. And I like the fact that everything is just credit based, right? So once you top up the $10 a month, if you run out of credits, you can just top up again. So yeah, I think this is a much better sort of unit economics for tokens with regards to user preference. Usually a lot of these subscription platforms that lock users in, they make money off the fact that not everyone uses, I guess, $20 worth of tokens each month. Whereas, some people may not want to pay for that much if they're not using that much. In any case, I'm just going to type out a prompt here. I'm going to go with one of my main prompts that I use to sort of determine how good a language model is. And I'm going to say, what is the meaning of life? Great stuff. Now, let's see what this is going to do. It's going to route it to a specific LLM. So it's routed it to Gemini 3 Flash. Okay, cool. And yeah, it's basically giving us a pretty standard a response. We've got things like existentialism mentioned, like Jean-Paul Sartre. Interesting. I remember reading Nausea when I was a kid. Great book. In scientific or biological sense, the purpose of life is often viewed as a continuation of the species through survival and reproduction. Very true. But of course, you can actually regenerate these responses with different models. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Like I said, there's a whole host of things you can do here. This is a full multimodal sort of powerhouse when it comes to the AI space, and you can also set it up for teams as well, so you can have multiple people having access to a platform like this underneath sort of business tenant. So yeah, definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you. And of course, if you have any other tools you'd like me to go through, or if you're a founder and you're building something and you want to shoot it over, feel free to just drop a link in the comments, or yeah, let me know what you'd like to see next. Anyway, have a great day.